2006, and now I see a real life bear, everybody.
Holy shit.
A real live bear on the road.
Hi, buddy.
Look at that big, giant, enormous thing.
It's not that big.
I know, but still, it looks cool.
Wait.
Is that a grizzly bear or a black bear?
It's a brown bear.
They're all black bears, so.
Looks like he's got into a couple scruffles.
I'm sure.
So, everybody, that was a real life bear.
Facing us, right on the end one.
What? Mountain lion?
Do I press the
Oh,
photo
right
button,
there,
Mom?
everybody. Right there is a mountain lion.
Yeah,
Right
I can't see it with the sun.
there. Looks pretty.
Okay, everybody, that's about it. Okay, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. For real. Bye-bye.